guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We are doing another unboxing today from the
Plantthestudio, what am I saying?
From Plantthestudio. I'm super pumped just because I ordered from them the last time. I was super happy with my order, so now this time I'm even more excited. But I do have a quiz that I have to do in about 15 minutes, so this video is probably going to be a quick one. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. She has a restock every Saturday, I believe, and most of her stuff is Hoya. She also has some plants that like aren't Hoya related, so that's fun. I like her little shop. I liked it. She was also super sweet and actually like held this one for me because I cheated and I was like, hey, do you by any chance have this one for like 65 shipped? And she said yes, so I got it. But okay, let's go ahead and get into the box and then I can tell you guys what it is. I'm like really nervous because this time around I think she said that there was like a snowstorm. I've never had a plant get shipped like during the cold, so I guess I'm crossing my fingers that it's gonna look good. But this is what it looks like on the inside. Again, it has her little business card in here. And we're opening. It is like not like super insulated, but I think that's good. I think with the stuffing it might be okay. So this is what it's looking like so far. Again, I really like her packaging. I think everything is so cute and so like neat and nice. It looks alive! So okay. Wow. So this, guys, my friends, all of you out there, I don't know if you saw my story. I really wanted this Pandarata. Like, I really wanted a Pandarata, and I was like, I really need one, but there aren't any, like, within my budget, and I'm so sad. Plantthestudio had one within my budget. And it is literally so cute. You guys, look at those leaves. I'm like shaking. Look at them. Holy cow. Oh my god, they're crazy. So this almost reminds me of like a mini Bermanica? I don't know how to say it, but it's the one that people also call like a Polynura complex. It's like a mini version. It has like pointy leaves and it's kind of like velvety and they're just so delicate and cute. I love them. Like I'm so happy that she had them for me. Like I feel very like blessed that she actually was able to sell this to me. I know that she's had some in like previous restocks too, so I'm not sure if she still has some in stock on her site currently, but I think that it might be one of those plants that she still has for future restocks. I'm not entirely sure, but definitely keep an eye out for her restocks, because like look at this beautiful thing. Oh my gosh. And she said that it did have some damage and that's why she was able to sell it to me for 65 shipped. But yeah, I'm so happy. It's so cute. Like, I love it. So this one is actually not just like the Hoya Pandarata. It's the Hoya Pandarata, and then it says subspecies angustifolia. I can't say that word. Angustifolia. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, so it's not just the Pandarata, and I also know that some of her other Pandaratas had like splashiness on them, like beautiful, like amazing. She's so cute. I can't get over how cute this is. I literally cannot get over how cute this is. There's like new growth also that seem to have survived the shipping. So like I don't think that the shipping was bad at all. So I really love this plant. I was in the middle of my live and then my light went out, so I don't know how much of that you're going to be able to see, but it's just absolutely beautiful. I freaking adore these little spear-shaped leaves. I adore this plant. I cannot Absolutely cannot wait until it gets bigger. It's so pretty and velvety and nice. It wasn't super insulated or anything, but she did provide a heat pack. I think that you have to pay extra for the heat pack. But she is in New York, so I would recommend adding a heat pack just because I do know that the temperatures and everything out there are real wonky. But I do absolutely love this plant, and I think that I would, you know, like give Plantthestudio like a really good review just because it's been 2 times now that I've ordered from them and my plant comes in really beautiful and I really like it. So I definitely recommend them, and I really enjoy the fact that she does a restock every Saturday just because I prefer scheduled restocks as opposed to like random restocks, because I personally don't have the time to just keep checking people's sites every day. I do know that the more popular a plant shop gets, the harder it gets to actually buy a plant from them. So buy plants from them while you have the chance, and hopefully in the future they'll have bigger restocks to try and accommodate to like bigger traffic. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really love my new plant, and I definitely think that you guys should check Plantthestudio out and also check out my other unboxing video from them. I think you will enjoy it. But that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!